In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google account password. Keeping your Google account secure starts with a strong, up-to-date password, and the process to change it is quick once you know where to go. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account. You can check this by looking at the profile picture or initial in the top right corner. If it isn't the right account, switch to the one you want to update before moving on. Next, click your profile picture and choose Manage Your Google Account. This opens your account dashboard where all your personal info and security settings live. From here, look for the security section. Scroll until you see the option labeled password or Google password, typically under signing into Google. Click that to continue. For your protection, Google will ask you to verify it's really you. Enter your current password and click Next. Depending on your settings, you might also be prompted for a second verification step like a code or a prompt on your phone. Complete that if it appears and you'll land on the password change screen. Now create your new password, aim for something memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers and symbols, and avoid using easy to find details like birthdays or common words. Most importantly, don't reuse a password you've used on other sites. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a unique one. Type your new password into the first box, then retype it in the confirmation box to make sure there are no typos. You can use the show option to double check both entries match exactly. Once everything looks good, click change password. Your new password is now active. In many cases, Google may sign you out of some devices or apps to keep your account safe, so be ready to sign back in with your new password where needed. You'll likely receive a security email confirming the change, which is normal. Take a moment to update any saved passwords in your browser or password manager so you're not locked out later. That's it. You've successfully changed your Google account password. Regularly updating your password and keeping it unique across sites is one of the simplest ways to stay secure online. If you're on a shared computer, remember to sign out when you're done. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.